Good morning, everyone. This week will be the last week of term 1, and we feel great to have some of our students coming back to school physically for hybrid model instruction or HMI. Although it is great to have students back to school, please note that the school always prioritizes everyone's health and safety. So meanwhile, we have tried our best to ensure that we follow the health protocol for this HMI. It is entirely up to each family to decide for their child to come back to school physically or not. This week, we will have some presentations from universities around the world to grade 12 students. And we will also have 45 students from grade 11 to do national assessment on Tuesday 28 up to Wednesday 29, 2021. So let's wish the best of luck for them. At the end of this term, PYP Elementary and early years will celebrate Batik Day through an assembly led by grade 5 team. We look forward to seeing the excitement and joy this end of term assembly. It must be great. To end this, I would like to say thank you for all the hard work that you have put in this term, both for students, teachers, and other staff, and also for the support that each family have given. And enjoy your term break, and good luck with term 2 later. Have a nice week, everyone.